Very good morning, students. We were doing our chapter number 3, that was safety and first aid. We have discussed several rules of safety. We have discussed traffic road signs of safety. Then we have discussed about the fire, about the prevention. We have also discussed how if human catch fire, what we should do. Then we have discussed about first aid and fracture. Fracture के बाद we have studied about sprain. Now the thing which we have not discussed is burn part. What we have to do if anybody get burned. Burn are of can be of many type. Suppose simply घर में किसी चीज़ से कोई जल जाता है and it is categorized and minor burn. थोड़ा सा जला हुए को हम बोलेंगे जो small हल्का फुल्का जला है तो that is known as minor burn. What we have to do in the case of minor burn, we have to wash the burned area with cold water और आई में से विथ रनिंग टैप मीन्स टैप को खोल कर उसमें पानी जो बहता रहता है उससे हमें उसको धोना है. देन वी हैव टू अप्लाई what we have to apply, we have to either apply any antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, or suppose in case we don't have any antiseptic cream, then what we can apply, बेकिंग सोडा. बेकिंग सोडा ज़्यादातर घरों में मिलता है, खाने के काम में आता है. ये बेसिकली खाने का सोडा, वो इसको मिक्स करना है अलोंग विथ वाटर और इसका पेस्ट हम उस बर्न एरिया पे लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. इन केस ऑफ माइनर बर्न व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, wash the burnt area with cold water. Then we have to apply any antiseptic cream or any baking soda, and that should be mixed with water, means the paste of baking soda and water. इनका हम क्या करेंगे, we have to make a paste like structure and then we have to apply on the burn area. Suppose anybody burns severely, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सीवियर बर्न हो जाता है तो उस केस में क्या करना है, उस केस में हमने कुछ नहीं करना. अगर हमने डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, वी हैव टू रीच टू द डॉक्टर फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट. और अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, यदि ब्लिस्टर्स पड़ गए हैं, जब ज़्यादा जल जाता है तो छाले पड़ जाते हैं ना, तो जब ब्लिस्टर, उन छालों को क्या हम बोलते हैं, ब्लिस्टर्स. इफ़ देयर इज़ ब्लिस्टर्स तो डू नॉट प्रिक इट, डू नॉट प्रिक इट, प्रिक उसको नहीं करना है. डू नॉट प्रिक द ब्लिस्टर्स. ठीक है. इन केस कि ज़्यादा जल गया है और ब्लिस्टर्स जो है प्रिक हो गए हैं, इन केस इफ द ब्लिस्टर्स आर pricked, for pricked blisters what we have to do, we have to wash it, wash with water. Then again what we have to do here, we don't either with water or with antiseptic lotion. Then what we have to do, we have to cover it with a soft and clean cotton cloth. Why we have to cover it? We have to cover it so that germs may not come and settled on that blisters. So what we have to do, we have to basically avoid any further sort of infection on that severe burnt area. And then we have what we have to do, we have to rush immediately to where we have to go, we have to rush to doctor. We have to immediately go to the doctors in case of severe burn. What we have to do, what are the primary needed precautions are needed? We don't have to prick any blisters. We have to wash the burnt area with water. Then cover it. If any blisters are pricked और उसमें से पानी आता है तो what we have to do, we have to clean it with antiseptic lotion and then cover it with clean cloth. Why? Because there should be no any germ infection on that area. अच्छा, एक तरीके से और suppose anyhow we get any chemical burn, कोई केमिकल से जल जाता है, then what we have to do, then we have to wash with plenty of water. हमने बहुत सारा पानी डालना है और हमने उसको वॉश कर देना है. वाई? बिकॉज व्हेन वी विल वॉश इट विथ प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, दैट केमिकल जिसकी वजह से वो बर्न हुआ है, दैट केमिकल विल वॉश आउट. And when that chemical will wash out, automatically we will get relief. Then again what we have to do? Then we have to apply any antiseptic cream which is at our home. Then in case of chemical burn also we have to rush to doctor. ठीक है? So these all are the precautions which is required for the case of burned. ठीक है. Now the last thing what I am taking is animal bite. Suppose किसी एनिमल ने हमें बाइट कर लिया, काट लिया, तो क्या करना चाहिए सबसे पहले? Again what we have to do in the starting? We have to wash the bitten area, the bitten part. We have to wash it. Why? We have to wash it to remove the germs, to remove the saliva of the animal. Suppose there is a dog bite, so what we have to do? We have to firstly we have to wash the bitten area. जिस एरिया पे उसने काटा है, we have to wash it. Why? To remove the germs. हमें to remove the germs we have to wash it. Why we have to wash it? We have to wash it to remove the germs of the particular animals. Yeah, remove the germs of the saliva. And what is the disease which happened by the dog bite? Suppose we are taking, or we can say any animal bite. The name of the disease is rabies. Yes, rabies. What happened in the rabies? The person start to do the activity same of that animal. Suppose there is a monkey bite. So what we will do? We will start doing the activity of monkey. We will start jumping, going here and there. So this all happen in rabies, and after that a person will die. So when there is a case of animal bite, what we have to do? First we have to wash the bitten area to remove the germs. Then we have to apply any antiseptic cream. Why any antiseptic? Apply any antiseptic cream. Why antiseptic is applied? Because to remove, to keep away the portion from the germs. उस जर्म से हटाने के लिए हम उसको एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम अप्लाई करते हैं ताकि और जर्म्स उस पर ना आए, एंड आवर स्किन कैन हील इट. देन वी हैव टू गो टू डॉक्टर. वाई? क्योंकि वो एंटी रेबीज हमें इंजेक्ट करेगा. देन वी शुड गो टू डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर के पास क्यों जाना चाहिए? ताकि वो हमें एंटी रेबीज इंजेक्शन होता है, वैक्सीन होती है. डॉक्टर विल गिव अस व्हाट? डॉक्टर विल गिव अस एंटी रेबीज injection or anti-rabies vaccine. So that is in the case of dog bite or any sort of animal bite. Suppose if there is a snake bite, अगर स्नेक काट लेता है तो उस केस में क्या करना है? उस केस में थोड़ा सा सिम्टम्स अलग होते हैं, बिकॉज पॉइजन इज इंजेक्टेड व्हेन स्नेक्स बाइट. व्हाट इज इंजेक्टेड? पॉइजन इज इंजेक्टेड. तो पॉइजन हमारे पूरी बॉडी में ना फैले, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू टाई द बैंडेज, tie a bandage just above the bitten area. जिस जगह स्नेक ने काटा है उससे ऊपर हमने एक बहुत कस के बैंडेज बांध लेनी है, सो दैट our blood cannot flow from there. क्योंकि पॉइजन कैसे फैलता है? It spreads through blood. So अगर हम वहाँ से ब्लड सप्लाई रोक देंगे, then what will happen? That poison cannot inflect या inject या cannot spread in our body, because the blood supply from that particular portion stops. We ceases that blood supply. So what will happen? The poison cannot spread. So firstly, the important thing we should tie the bandage over the bitten area. We should wash it. Then we should again rush to the doctor. Because what will happen? Doctor will give us a injection called antivenom. Antivenom is a injection which is given after the snake bite. This is also an important question. Which type of injection is given after snake bite? So we have to learn antivenom. Antivenom is an injection, is a vaccine which is given after the snake bite. So we have learned about the burn, about the animal bite, and about the snake bite, and again a small thing is left, that is poisoning. Now the small thing, that is poisoning. Poisoning means what? Poisoning means what? कि हमने कुछ भी ऐसा खा लिया which is not acceptable by our body. Then what we have to do? We have to vomit. सबसे पहले तो हमने keep away the things, keep away the poisonous things, the detergent, naphthalene ball, the odonil balls. These all things we should keep away from the approach of a child. But still, if anything, by we feel that somebody has inhaled that, किसी ने वो चीज़ खा ली है by chance, by mistake, तो what we have to do? We have to ask that person to vomit. तो vomit करेगा तो what will happen? The thing which is infecting the person will come out. So vomiting is the only cure of the poisoning. Then we have to go to the doctor because he'll see if there is any infection inside. So he'll give the healing medicine so that that infection may got clean. Got it? So now here till we have completed the chapter. We have completed our third chapter, that is safety and first aid. So if there is any doubt, I hope you all have books now. If there is any doubt between the chapter or anywhere, you can ask me. You can send a mail message to me personally. Then what you have to do, then we'll start with the exercise now, because you all have got book and exercise books and notebooks now. Now we will start with the fair work, but don't think the work which we have done is not fair. That was also fair, but now book work also we have to start. The exercise is given at the back of your book. We have to complete that as well. So we will start from the first chapter now. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy your learning.